Are you looking for a stylish yet functional way to elevate your home interiors? Folding doors might just be the perfect solution. From modern aesthetics to practical space-saving features, folding doors can completely transform your living spaces. Stay with us as we explore stunning folding door designs that will inspire your next home upgrade. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're planning to redesign your home or looking for creative ideas to enhance your interiors, you've come to the right place. Today we'll take a closer look at folding door designs, a must-have feature for modern homes. Folding doors, also known as bifold doors, are becoming increasingly popular in home design for their versatility, elegance, and practicality. Whether you want to create a seamless transition between your indoor and outdoor spaces or simply maximize space within your home, folding doors offer endless possibilities. Is the versatility of folding doors. Folding doors are perfect for a variety of applications. Use them to connect your living room to your backyard or as a sleek partition between your dining area and kitchen. Their flexibility allows you to create open-plan spaces or close off sections for privacy when needed. For small homes, folding doors are an excellent space-saving option. Unlike traditional swing doors, they fold neatly to one side, freeing up valuable floor space. Stylish designs for every home. Folding doors come in a range of materials, finishes, and styles to suit your home's aesthetic. Ideal for creating a bright and airy atmosphere, perfect for connecting indoor and outdoor spaces. Wooden folding doors add warmth and a touch of elegance, ideal for traditional or rustic homes. Sleek and durable, great for modern and contemporary interiors. Choose from clear glass panels for a minimalist look or frosted glass for added privacy. Folding doors are not just functional, they're a statement piece for your home. They bring in natural light, create flexible spaces, and add a touch of sophistication to any design. Ready to make the switch? Let us know your favorite folding door style in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more inspiring home design ideas. See you next time.